Welcome everyone. In this video, let's simplify this question. Here we have square root 16 x raised to power 12 y raised to power 8. Okay, now let's solve this question right here. Okay, in order for us to simplify this question, first we have square root 16 x to power 12 y raised to power 8. Now this is equal to square root 16 times x raised to power 12 times y raised to power 8. Okay, now looking at the constituents within the square root sign, here we have 16, x raised to power 12, and y raised to power 8. Now, as you can see, they are joined by the multiplication sign, times and times. Now, since they are joined by the multiplication sign, in order for us to simplify it for them, they are going to be separated, each having its own square root. So, this is equal to square root 16 times square root x raised to power 12 times square root y raised to power 8. Okay. Now, at this junction, we are going to apply one of the principles of indices, that if you have a fractional power a over b, right, power a over b, it is equal to the denominator will be the root sign, and the numerator will take the power of that number. Okay, now if you have x raised to power 1 over 2, right, it is equal to the denominator will take the root sign, that will be square, that is square root the number x, and then raised to power, the numerator will be the power 1. And now this is equal to square root x raised to power 1 is same thing as x. Okay, good. Now, looking at this right here, square root 16, square root x raised to power 12, and square root y raised to power 8, right? It can be expressed further as the number raised to power half, because the half raised to power half will still give us square root of that number. Now, this is equal to 16 raised to power half, right, times x raised to power 12 times square root becomes 1 over 2, power 1 over 2, times y power 8 times the square root becomes power 1 over 2. Okay, good. Now, at this junction, 16 is same thing as 4 raised to power 2, right, times 1 over 2, 1 over 2, times x raised to power 12 times 1 over 2, right, times y raised to power 8 times 1 over 2. Okay, good. Now, let me clean up this place so we can have space. Now, 2 will cancel out 2. You are left with 4 raised to power 1. 4 raised to power 1. 1 times 2 will cancel out 12. You are left with 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So, you are left with x raised to power 6 times 2 will cancel out 8. You are left with 4. 2 will go in 8 4 times. You are left with 4 times 1, which will give us 4. That is equal to y raised to power 4. Okay. Now, 4 raised to power 1 is same thing as 4 times x raised to power 6 times y raised to power 4. Now, this is equal to 4 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 4. Now, as you can see, this cannot be simplified further. Now, this becomes our final answer. So, the answer to square root 16 x raised to power 12 y raised to power 8 is equal to 4 x to the power 6 y raised to power 4. Okay, good.